Hello everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to be showing you how to download an ebook on the Madison County Public Library's website with your library card. Go ahead and open an internet browser and type in www.madisonlibrary.org. It should take you here to the library's homepage. Click in the search box and we're going to look for Jane Austen. Click on the magnifying glass here. And this is going to pull up all the books in the library that Jane Austen has written or are about Jane Austen. But we only want ebooks, so we're going to use the scroll bar. Go down a little bit and to your left under Author, click the box by Jane Austen. And under Format by eBook, click that box. And go up here to Apply, and that will get us all the ebooks that are written by Jane Austen. So we're going to scroll down here, and there's a couple of these that you'll note that say place hold instead of download, and that just means another library patron has that book downloaded on their device. You can be put on a list much like you can with a normal book. It'll just require an email address, and it will send an email to you once that book has become available. So we're going to scroll down here, and let's say I wanted to read Pride and Prejudice. It's by Jane Austen. It's an ebook. We're going to click on Download. Now, when you sign up for a library card at the Madison County Public Library, the front looks like this, and on the back, you have a 14-digit barcode. So go ahead and type that in with no spaces in between or anything. And when we sign you up, we also give you a PIN number that allows you access to all of our electronic features like this. Click on the Sign In button here. Try that one more time. There we go. And in this video, we're just going to cover the Kindle types of ebook download. So click on Kindle and click on Confirm. And here it will take you to your Amazon page. You'll see Pride and Prejudice, author Jane Austen. Over here it says Deliver to and Get Library Book. So mine automatically defaults to my phone, but you can click on here and change it to any of your devices that you read ebooks on. Click Get Library Book. And the next time that I get on my phone, it should be there on my Kindle app. And that app looks like this. You can download it in the Google Play Store or at the iTunes App Store. Or if you wanted to read it here on your computer, you can hit Orders under your Amazon account. You can hit Digital Orders. And whatever book is here doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and click Content and Devices, and that will show you all of your electronic books and content here with Amazon. You can see Pride and Prejudice, Jane Austen here. It is borrowed. Under Actions, click this button, and if you hit Read Now, you can either read that via your internet browser, or I've got the Kindle app downloaded on my computer, and it looks much like it would on my phone. So thank you all for your time, and I hope this was useful.